the phone button is going to be in the bottom left corner. We're going to tap on that little phone icon, and you're going to tap on this. This is the dialer. This will bring up your number keypad, and I'm going to type in a phone number, and we're going to tap on the green call button. This will initiate the call, and just that easy. We've dialed a phone number. You can press the speaker button to put the phone on speaker so you don't have to hold it up to your ear. You've got mute here. You have more. In the more settings, you can switch to a video call. You can do an audio emoji, or you can add someone to the call by tapping that button here. And when you're all done, tap the red button to end the call. Now, pretty easy. That's how you make a call. Now next, let's go over what it looks like when someone calls you. I'm going to initiate a call, and we'll see how to answer the phone. So here's the call. Now pretty easy. I'm going to tap on that green button to answer it. Call is open. You have all the same options here. And when you're all done, press the red button to end the call. Pretty easy. Now, it's a little trickier when your screen is asleep because the call is going to look different when it comes through. So I want to show you that. So now let's initiate a call when the phone is asleep so you can see what it looks like. You'll notice the screen looks different, and I can't just press the call button. It's not going to answer that way. I actually have to drag my finger up the screen to answer the call. You see that? Let's initiate it again. Drag down, and that will automatically end the call. Your other option is to press this message button right here, and this will allow you to decline the call, but it will also let you send a follow-up text message. So you can send, hey, can't talk now, what's up? So the call is declined, but at least it's also sending them a message asking you to, hey, like, what do you need? I can't talk right now, okay? So that's just a very quick rundown of how to decline a call. Now, first we talked about how to make a call. Now, what if you want to save a phone number into your phone? You'll see right here, I already have this number saved into my phone, right? But I want to put another number in. I want to save it to the phone. I want to show you how to do that. So tap on the dialer. Let's type in a phone number. So when I type in this phone number here, I can tap the green button to make the call, but I can also do all these other things. I can create a new contact or add that number to an existing contact. Maybe someone is giving you a second number they have. You would hit that option. In this case, I'm going to tap create a contact or create new contact. I'm going to tell the phone where I wanted to save the contact. As a quick point, never save it to the device. Always save it to your Gmail, because this way, if you ever lose the phone, the number will always be saved up, or the number will always be saved in the cloud, and you can access it by signing into a new phone with that Gmail account. So that's why we selected the Gmail and not to device. And we can put in the name here, Joe Turner. And if you tap more details, you can add additional things as well. So an email address, a birthday address, a label. You can add a note, maybe where you met the person. And you can also even add more fields. There's more options that are available too. So add as much or as little information as you like. Obviously, the main thing is the name and the phone number. When you're done, you're going to tap on that green save button to save it into your cloud. So that's a brief rundown, making calls, receiving calls, and saving numbers to your phone. Hope you guys found that video helpful. If it was, please hit that like button down below and make sure you subscribe. And also consider hitting the little heart and leaving us a tip. Now, this was a snippet from our larger beginner video. You can find the full video right here. And here you can find a link to all the other videos I've shot on this phone to help you continue to learn and see all the things you can do with this phone. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.